So it is Saturday the 2nd of March, and look, we just picked up our camper van. We've just been to, we've got Aldi, Coles and Target to pick up some of our supplies, some food and bits and bobs. So we're just about to head off on the road. Our first stop is Phillip Island, known for being twinned. What seems like it uses the same locations as the Isle of Wight back home. So it's got a place called Cowes, there's Ventnor, there's Sandown. It's really strange. So we're going to Phillip Island anyway because we're going to stay there. The night, and we're going to go and see the penguins. So we're going to get out of Westfield and we're going to get on the road and start our adventure now. So here we go. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. So we've just driven for about 2.5 hours, maybe nearly 3 hours, and we finally got to this campsite. There's Chloe in the Cougar. So we're on Phillip Island right now, which is it's got a friend. There was a sign. I'll put the sign in here. We saw, which is a friendship link with the Isle of Wight, which was kind of nice to see. There's like swimming pools. There's nice little walks down to the beach. The person at reception was really nice. Like showed us, where everything is and how easy it is, and look out for stingrays, although they're pretty harmless. There's sharks on the other side of the island, which is good to know. We're going to check in with you later. So we're just on our way to the beach. We're on some like dirt track in what seems like the outback, and we're walking down this path. No joke, we just saw a kangaroo hop over there. This huge, very dark kangaroo. So let's carry on and try and track it down. Yeah, this is awesome. This is lovely. This is incredible. This is literally like we've got our own beach. We just walked through there and I definitely saw a kangaroo in the wild hopping away. And now we walk through there to get to here. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul. So, the time has come. We're about to go and see the penguins. I'll show you on a map. We are about here right now. This is Phillip Island. We're here and we're gonna go here, which is called the Penguin Parade. There goes
a sight for my soul.
So we just got back from the penguin parade, which was about $26 each. And basically we weren't allowed to film, unfortunately, because of the flash on people's cameras, obviously, and we can completely respect that, because it disorientates the penguins and stuff like that. So anyway, we got there, and it's like these bleachers, would you say bleachers?
Like an amphitheatre.
Yeah, and
outside
it's
amphitheatre.
all in front of the beach, or on looking the beach. And we got there about about 7, and then we stayed there until about 7:30. About an hour and a half sat there. Wasn't it?
Oh, on the amphitheatre.
Mm.
Yeah.
We were sat watching the penguins come in. Which was nice. It was nice. You couldn't really see too much, and it got really dark really quickly. So even if we were allowed to film, we probably wouldn't be able to pick up much because it was so dark. We saw a seal.
Oh yeah.
We saw a seal. We saw a kangaroo or a wallaby on the beach, and then we went around all the boardwalks and saw loads of penguins really close up, which was really nice. And now we're back at the campsite, so it is the end of the night.
No night time.
And tomorrow we're going to leave the campsite and go to a place called Wilson's Promontory. It's a national park, so we're continuing the road trip tomorrow. We're going to leave the campsite nice and early and hit the road. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Good night.